Hi students, welcome to Nanjal Career Academy. A boatman can row with a speed of 10 km per hour in still water. If the river flows at 5 km per hour, the direction in which the boatman should row to reach a point on the other bank directly opposite to the point where he started is. Okay, so width of the river is given 2 km per hour. Okay, so the velocity of boat 10 km per hour, velocity of river 5 km per hour. Okay, so four options are given. In a direction inclined at 120 degree to the direction of river flow, in a direction inclined at 90 degree to the direction of river flow, 60 degree in the northwest direction, should row directly along the river flow. Okay, so we have to calculate the direction, we have to find the direction in which boatman should row to reach a point on the other bank directly to opposite to the point from where he started is. Okay, so given that VB is equal to 10 km per hour, VR is equal to 5 km per hour, shortest possible path crossing the river straight. Okay, this is the schematic diagram. So the boatman should go along AC in order to cross the river straight. Okay, so extracting the right angle triangle from this diagram, we can get a right angle triangle like this. Okay, AB is a V vector, which is the resultant velocity, AC is the velocity of boat, BC is the velocity of river. Okay, so from this we can find sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, so VR divided by VB. Okay, sin theta is equal to VR divided by VB. Okay, this is the opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Okay, so sin theta is equal to VR divided by VB. So magnitude of VR 5, magnitude of VB 10. Okay, so that is equal to 5 by 10. So sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, theta equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2, theta equal to 30 degree. Okay, so then we have to find the 90 plus theta is equal to 90 plus theta 30 degree. So 90 plus 30 is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so the boatman should go along in a direction inclined at 120 degree to the direction of river flow. Okay, so the boatman should go along the direction of river flow 120 degree inclined. Okay, 120 degree, theta plus 90 degree. Okay, from this point to this point, theta, from this point to this point 90 degree. So adding theta plus 90 is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so the option, first option. Okay, in a direction inclined at 120 degree to the direction of river flow.